Well, SIA provided me with an opportunity to get an insight into many aspects of engineering, like the mechanical engineering, EC, and computer-aided engineer. And also, it provided me an opportunity to know the future of engineering.
In the same time, the teacher teach the basic knowledge of mechanical engineering. CI is also providing the information about the coming generation of the industry. So we have a better understanding of what we will do in the future after the university life.
Instead of staying at home and dealing with my homework or playing video games, I would rather spend my summer vacation on something meaningful to my future. So I come here.
CI have the benefits of the location here in Suzhou, China. With the German teacher flying over come to the China, we have a very price-worth program that provides us opportunity to learn the knowledge and having the more understanding to the KIT school and to the whole industry.
Sia brought me an insight into what engineering is about, and it helped me to confirm which branch of this field do I want to put my efforts into.
In the same time, Sia providing the teaching knowledge with the experiments and the tourists to the factory. Sia here is also providing a lot of opportunity to the students that we can have consulting about our future college and the future job.
I would say the lecture about computer-aided engineer because that made me realize what the future of engineering is.
My favorite part of Sia is we go tourist the factory, so we have a truly understanding of what the factory will looks like in the future and what should we go for it.
Well, I would like to have an engineering career, so I come here to get some detailed information about engineering so I can further determine what I really want to learn in the university.
I am interested to study in KIT in the future, so CI just provide me an opportunity to get more familiar with KIT and the mechanical engineering and more for details of German life or German college.
Well, first, as I said, it can help you determine which major do you want to learn in the university and which major you can integrate your interests with. And second, you can meet a lot of people with the same ambition with you. So I think that's the reason I would recommend it.
With all I mentioned above, they provide me a chance to explore more deeper in the mechanical engineering world. So I would like my friends to experience what I experienced here.